Hi guys, welcome to Technology.
हाँ अजय ब्रो, क्या कर रहे हो?
Hey, hi. Nice meeting you once again. And how are you?
हाँ मस्त हूँ यार। और
Yeah.
लेकिन थोड़ी सी प्रॉब्लम हो गई है।
क्या हुआ भाई?
लास्ट टाइम जैसे तूने वो डोर लॉकिंग सिस्टम किया था ना, वैसा ही मेरे को लाइट का ही होना है।
लाइट का?
हाँ, लाइट का कुछ तो आइडिया है क्या तेरे पास? हम अर्जेंट में लाइट बंद बंद करने ही भूल जाते हैं, क्या तो काम आए तो क्या तो आइडिया है तो बोलना।
मतलब तुझे एसी पे कंट्रोल करने का है?
हाँ एसी
मैंने एक फैन बनाया था, मतलब फैन था उसको हम, लेकिन डीसी पे कंट्रोल था। बट टुडे वी हैव टू थिंक ऑफ इट. Okay, I have one thing. We'll go for that because I just have made one model. That is small prototype. Let's try it out. Let's see the connections. Let's see everything about it. And if you like it, you can use it in your real life and you can just get solution for this problem.
Yes.
Yeah, let's go. Come, we'll get started.
Yes.
Circuit and all. As my friend told me today, one is problem that he was facing, one of the problem that he have forget the switching on and off his light. So I was having this one model where I just made it before, and it was like today it failed to be used. Okay, so I just want to tell you too that how you can make it. Okay, right. See what I have done. I have just used Node MC over here. That is based on IoT. He need IoT because he can stay in anywhere and he can off or on his light. But before, whatever models I just displayed you, that was based on DC, where we were used to give DC supply to that. But here we are going to use it AC, where we are going to control this particular device by use of AC power. Okay, we are going to give AC supply and then we are going to control it, right? So let me tell you before what all we require. There is nothing much requirement for this. Just you require one node MCU and one relay module, that is single channel, because you are just controlling one light here, and one small bulb. Okay, I just have carried one small bulb over with me that I can just make on and off with the help of this particular model. And then you have to connect it like this, like see here. First of all, let me give the output connection. From here, what happened, this 4 pins I have to take out. There is 2 here for switching, that is NO, NC, NO common and NC. So what happened, we have to connect one of the terminal for common and another for this one NC. Sorry, NO, because NC is already internally connected, where it will switch to NC after the trigger is been applied or where the input is given. So this how I have just connected one. We have to plug this in our AC, and AC current has to be given, and then we can give another one too, is that is given for our bulb. So what actually we have to do is, the main connection of our circuit is here we have, that is you can see here there is a 3v3 and ground. There are 2 pins. Okay, these 2 pins I just took out over here, and one input, that is I have connected for D0. Here I just given it for D0. You can use any one from digital pins, but you have to just mention it in a Blink app. So this I will connect it out. Okay, this yellow color is my VCC, so I just connected first pin of my relay module, and then orange is my ground. Okay, VCC and ground is given, and then I'll split it out. Okay, this one is first given to yellow, and then this is orange color is given, and whichever the input I have, that I'll give for input connection. Okay, there's also only simple 3 connection. The 3 connection, if you did, the circuit is over. Nothing much you have to do in this. Okay, just take the bulb and keep it in a holder, and see, just I have hanged it in my holder, and just let me start my circuit. What we have to do is, this is how you have done the circuit. Now let us go with the working of it, how we can do the working. Let me give the power supply to my node MCU and my relay model, and we'll be start.
Yeah.
have seen the circuit diagram and also the connection of it. So just we have done everything right now. Just we have to see whether it's going to work or no. That is the main question which will arise in you, that whether this circuit is going to work or no. So but before that, what you have to do, you have to install the Blink app. So you have to install one of the Blink app from the Play Store, and then you have to place one button. I just have placed one button where I can just on and off this particular button with my mobile. So this I'll keep aside. Let me give the power supply for this particular model. What I require is first of all the AC supply. I just use extension board here. I just give one AC supply to actuate my relay that will be given for the bulb. Okay, and then I require the power supply for my node MCU. This what I've used a charger. You can use power bank, or you can use any batteries also if you require. So this have I just given a power supply. I need to see now it is showing right. It is being connected. Okay, here it has been blue color light is been blinking. Okay, what happens when the light blink, we can say that the circuit is being connected with our mobile. So just by pressing a single button, see here I have my device over here. I just have to press one single button. I have to on it, right? So what actually does this model is, when I just press one single button with help of my mobile device, I can on my light by sitting in anywhere, any corner of the world. I can use this. So let's go with my friend. Let me ask my friend whether he like it or no, whether he is satisfied with this particular model or no. So let's talk to him. Hey. Hi bro, how was it? Right, we have been successful doing it, where we have done a light which we can control through our mobile. Now we'll be getting more solution for it.
बहुत अच्छा किया तूने, डीसी से एसी कंट्रोल किया है या कन्वर्शन, क्या तो रिले, क्या तो यूज किया, मैं कनेक्शन देखा हूँ, बहुत अच्छा किया है। ऐसा डिवाइस पूरा घर में इंस्टॉल किया तो बहुत अच्छा होगा प्रॉब्लम।
And also what you can do is just you can use relay of multiple channels, and you can use any home automation, like you can on your fan, heater, if you want to on anything which you require, that you can actuate by making this particular. See, just you try it once, that how that's right, it's working. Like I too thought that to make this, but because of you it has happened. So you can, if you want, you can make this in your home. So you can take this device and
take this,
apply it. Okay,
घर में सबको दिखाऊंगा और इंस्टॉल भी करूंगा।
yeah, sure, yeah,
Thank you.
Wait once again. Now we have seen with the feedback of my friend also, he also liked this device, where he was very happy that he can now make this particular device by its own and he can use it home. So thank you guys for seeing this video, and hope you also like this particular device, and hope that you will also make your own IoT, that is home automation. So thank you. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.
With